So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to see pre-market on TradingView. So first of all, open any web browser that you like and then search tradingview.com. After coming on their website, click on products and choose chart plus. So guys, after coming on this page, you guys will see this option right here, which is called chart settings. Now click on this and scroll down in symbol and you will see this option called session. Now click on the arrow button and you will see this option right here called extended trading hours. Now click on this and you guys can see this option has now been enabled pre-post market hours, and now just click on OK. So as you can see guys, your extended hours has been now edited and now you can see the pre-market before anyone else on TradingView. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for watching more future videos. And thanks for watching.